Hey there, I want to show you how easy it is to use my Photoshop files where you just drag and drop your image. If you go to Layers, so Window, Layers, I'm using Photoshop 2026, but any Photoshop program will work. You can see this layer is where it'll put your image. So we're going to just open an image and just find any cute image that you want to put in. So we'll come here and I'll just find a cute little... see. We can do this one. And then I'm going to right click and do move to new window. And then I'm going to drag this in and then do layer, create clipping mask. Then do edit, transform, scale, and then you just size it down and move it where you want it. Once you're done, you can just do file save as, save a copy, JPEG, and you can save it as you wish. Enjoy and have a good holiday.